Hello everyone. Today I'm taking you to a country that beautifully connects two continents, Europe and Asia, Turkey. This is not just a travel destination, it's an experience. And in this video, I'm taking you on a walking journey through Istanbul and Cappadocia, two of the most magical places in Turkey. I started my journey in Istanbul, and honestly, this city feels alive. Everywhere you walk, you see a mix of modern life and deep history. On one side, there are stylish cafes and busy streets, and on the other side, centuries-old architecture and culture. Walking through Istanbul feels like stepping into the past while still being in the present. One of the most fascinating things about this city is that it lies on two continents, Europe and Asia. And when you walk along the Bosphorus, you truly feel how special this place is. The streets are full of energy. Small shops, local markets, and hidden cafes are everywhere. You don't even need a plan here. Just walk and you'll discover something beautiful at every corner. And the food? Simple but unforgettable. Fresh bread, local snacks, and Turkish tea. It's all part of the experience. But what makes Istanbul even more special is the people. They are warm, friendly, and welcoming. Even a small smile can turn into a conversation. But Turkey is not just about Istanbul. Now let's move to a place that feels like a dream, Cappadocia. Welcome to Cappadocia, a place that honestly feels like another planet. The landscapes here are something you won't see anywhere else. Unique rock formations, cave houses, and wide open valleys, all shaped naturally over thousands of years. Walking here feels peaceful and surreal at the same time. And then comes the most magical moment, the hot air balloons. Early in the morning, as the sun rises, hundreds of balloons slowly lift into the sky. It's calm, quiet, and incredibly beautiful. It's not just something you see, it's something you feel. Another unique experience here is staying in cave hotels. These are built inside natural rock formations, giving you a cozy and completely different kind of stay. Cappadocia is all about slowing down, enjoying the silence, and connecting with nature. So, why should you visit Turkey? Because it offers everything in one trip: history, culture, nature, and unforgettable experiences. It's also more budget-friendly compared to many European destinations, making it a great option for travelers. The food is amazing, the places are unique, and every moment feels special. Turkey is not just a place you visit, it's a place you experience. And once you come here, it stays with you forever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next journey. Till then, keep exploring.
Geriye bak. Blue Mosque references. Hagia Sophia now is 35 years old. Sorry, pardon.
You sing it in the golden color. So the gold actually represents God's light in the Christian understanding. And the blue color represents the skies in heaven. So Mother Nature. So Mother Nature always dresses you.
Не видим прямо на фото. Ворота обратно.
We did it, huh? Okay, welcome to Blue Mosque. Blue Mosque was built only in 4 years. And it was built between 1613 and 1616, so it is 409 years old. We Turkish people never call here blue. We call always Sultan Ahmet Mosque. The name of the Sultan was Ahmet, and we call here Sultan. So who call here blue mosque? You, the tourists, because of more than 20,000 blue tiles. More than 20,000 blue tiles. So that it takes its name because of 260 minutes, makes the sun shine inside. Touching the tiles, it makes like a blue colored mosque. That's the reason it is called Blue Mosque. The same architecture.
तिकडे फोटोज वरती बघा पिलर नुसतं असं करून इथं काय की फोटो सायकलचं इथं असं चालू इकडे चल You can observe sunset from here. इतने सनसेट बघून जाऊ 8:30 मेट्रो असते ना रात्री
comfortable. Need to change. Tune. सूर्य खाली जायला पाहिजे बा
Yaptı, yapar.